Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy and sell crypto on Changelly. So first of all, you need to launch your Changelly application. Then you need to log in into your account if you haven't already. Over here on the home page, you are not going to see the buy and the sell option. So in order to access it, you just have to tap on this trade icon here in the middle. After that, you will see the option of buy, sell and exchange. So in order to buy a crypto, simply tap on the option of buy. Then in this section, you just have to enter the amount of USD that you want to spend in order to purchase your crypto. If you want to change your currency, you can tap on the drop down menu right next to the currency and you can change your currency. Then if you want to change the cryptocurrency, you can tap on the drop down menu right next to the cryptocurrency. Then from this list, you can select your favorable cryptocurrency. After entering the amount, it is going to show you the equivalent amount of crypto that you are going to get. It is also going to show you the best method that you can use in order to make this payment. So as you can see, for my account, it chose MoonPay. So you can tap on this drop down menu in order to see some of the other payment methods. So you can choose any of these in which you are comfortable. Afterwards, tap on the option of next step. Then here in the destination address, you need to simply add the address of any of the wallets that is based on the Ethereum. So once you add it over here, you just have to confirm your transaction. After the successful completion of your transaction, you are going to get your crypto here in your Changelly account. So this way, basically, you will be able to buy your crypto in Changelly. Now, in order to sell your crypto, you just have to tap on the trade option over here on the home page. After that, tap on the option of sell. Once you tap on the option of sell, you will be redirected here on MoonPay. So over here, you just have to select that particular cryptocurrency which you want to sell. After that, you just have to select it, select the payment method and conclude your payment. This way you will be able to sell your crypto on Changelly. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.